What's the craziest rumor that you have ever heard about yourself?
I say, I did not go away. That's the craziest rumor I've heard. See, when I did not.
Oh, wait.
And guess what? I don't ever come out to say we know the knack. Me not bad. If you ask me, I'm like, what do you think? You think we're knacking? Okay. You know, the first time that ever happened, Owell called and was like, hello, Rotimi. Ask me that, what was my response?
I can imagine what you said.
I was like,
Uh-huh.
She now said, which one is I said, so if they said it didn't call are you bothered? She now said, Emma Womoti, I'm worried from to marry. You know, I was like, I don't care.
Ew.
People should say whatever they want to say. That's the facts. If I come out to tell you that I'm not doing it, will you believe me? No. So believe whatever you want to believe. I don't care.
Wow.
The only person that I owe explanation is Abuki.
Okay. Yeah.
So, and as long as she's good with me dating her, I did date them. Oh yeah. Kill yourself. You know, so that's like the biggest rumor I've heard about myself. And guess what? I'm not bothered.
You're not bothered.
I'm not bothered, you know. Because they don't know what she did do for my life.
Nah, so with everything she's doing, you can call it dating, so it's fine.
You understand? You can call it dating. And if we quarrel for a year.
Hey! You don't want to see these two fight. That's when you will not see her way. Keep quiet. Shomoge, you are rooting me a buru. Uti buruju. And any little thing, you will see, oh well, she will be ranting in and out, and after a few minutes, it's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone.
I mean, that's it. Y'all switch.
But in that minute, well is everywhere. Somebody will just come in now and know where we.
It is only aware that she'll be.
Shumoke Rotimi. Shumoke to so. Omoke ode lo so. Àwọn yẹn dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mi fún kò deja. Kò sọ kankan. Ode wá ní pé so always she could judge. Kí ló ode má bínú.
Because he go the thing go
no, I don't you joking.
Oh God.
Oh well, we love you. You're such a beautiful
we love
soul.
you. We love you. Sometimes we will be like, how are you coping? How
am I coping?
Kiss. Okay. You know, but the thing is, you know, I mean, knowing all well, you know, has taught me a lot as well too with, you know, relating with people. You know, I don't know. I don't think I've met anyone as sweet as she is.
She's actually,
honest, you know,
yeah.
if she's in your corner, like you said earlier, more you're good to go.
I know. God bless you all well. So lastly, I'll ask you, what has life taught you?
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀lẹ́ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu Rotimi Salami sí All Well. Ǹjẹ́ òótọ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bí? Àbí wọ́n kàn ń pe ajá láwè fún wa ni? Ẹ kọ opinion yín sórí comment section. Wọ́n bá lè sọ̀rọ̀ lórí rẹ̀, a ò ní jù báyìí lọ sí díjọ́ mìíràn ọjọ́ rẹ̀. Ire lójó wọ́n rí, ó dàbọ̀ tó dìgbà mìíràn.